Hey fellow woodcutters, Topsaw here. Just got these chucks for the lathe from Grizzly. They were back ordered for a while. Hopefully they're going to work out. It's a high school wood shop, so they take a lot of abuse. Let me go show you the lathes and the setup that we have, and then we'll open these up and try them out. I have these two Laguna Revo 1524s. I've had these about a year. I have a fantastic community member who comes in and volunteers with us, which is really kind of the key to making these lathes happen. And the fact that, you got 30 kids in class, and even if you got a whole classroom full of lathes, you're still not going to have 30. So I only have these two, and then I have this little jet. And then on the other side of the class, I have these two Turncrafter Commanders. So kind of what I'm hoping to do is have one designated lathe and a chuck for that lathe. So it's a really tight system. I'm hoping with these tabletops, we start with small projects like pens, those kinds of things, maybe really small little bowls, it's 3, 4, 5 inch. These lathes right here are 1 inch diameter, 8 TPI. That's the same with that one and the jet. So these are 1 1/4, 8 TPI. So what I do on these, so the chucks will be universal, is I have these adapters. So this adapter goes from 1/8 TPI to 1 1/4/8 TPI. So you can see that chuck right here with the adapter on it, right? So there's the adapter. And then those chucks right there, these are pretty good chucks. I like these PSI woodworking chucks on the small tabletop lathes. That's kind of what they were designed for, so for smaller things. So the goal of the two new Grizzly chucks is that these chucks right here will be designated only for the tabletop lathes. They will not need these conversions from 1 1/4 down to 1. Grizzly chucks will go on here with no conversion. They'll be heavy duty enough. So here's the new chuck, 1 1/4/8 TPI. Pretty inexpensive. Hex key to tighten it. So the smaller hex key must be for adjusting the jaws itself on there. Well, it feels pretty nice. Feels solid. This is a really cool feature. This wood screw comes with it as well. You can kind of drop it in the back there. Little seat in there. And then tighten it up. In your wood piece, you got to drill 7 or 8 millimeter diameter hole, 25 millimeter deep. Screw your bowl onto that, and then you could turn a tenon on the bottom of the bowl and then go to this. So this is a really cool feature. It's going to spin true, and you could see it's designed for that. Setting that depth of 1 inch on the stop right there. Looks like it's working well. I like that new chuck. So all in all, I give this chuck a great rating. I love this thing so far. Turned a few bowls on it, and it seems like it's working well.